Day 48 of building GhostBoss in public. Today was kind of a blah day overall. I had a lot of client work and other things going on, so I only had a limited window for GhostBoss, but we still moved the migration forward. Gate 3 Bravo is finally behind us, and today we officially moved into Gate 4. The goal of Gate 4 is pretty simple. Prove that GhostBoss can safely read from the new Postgres database in a real staging environment. And the first thing we discovered was we didn't actually have a proper staging environment for the app. We had production, but I definitely wasn't going to use production as a place to test a database migration. So today we built a completely separate GhostBoss staging environment. So it has its own app, its own database connection, its own security settings, and most importantly, it's separate from production. We also removed anything from staging that could accidentally touch real billing or production systems. So now we have GhostBoss production, and completely separate from that, we have GhostBoss staging. That staging environment is something we'll keep using even after the migration's finished, so it's not wasted time. Then we hit another issue. We needed to test the 5 fake founders through the new database. So all 5 could log in, but some of the test projects were inactive. So the normal GhostBoss login system wouldn't give them the access we needed for this specific migration test. We could have just changed the real login system just to make the test work, but I didn't want to do that. So instead, we built a safe testing tool that uses the real GhostBoss app and login system without changing how real authentication works. That tool will let us run all 5 test founders through the 7 important parts of the app. So that's 35 checks in total, and it only allows reading. So no billing, no task updates, no changes to founder data, nothing that could accidentally affect the live product. We then tested that system tonight, and everything we were able to run came back clean. So that's where I'm going to stop tonight. Nothing switched over to Postgres today. Production wasn't touched, but the staging environment is built. The testing system is ready, and we're sitting right before the live Gate 4 test. Next up is the 5 founders, the 7 parts of GhostBoss, the 35 Postgres checks, and then the one question is, can GhostBoss safely read and run those from the new database? So that's tomorrow's mission. Another brick, execution over motivation. See you tomorrow.